surprising uses for these kitchen items. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Vodka. You can use vodka to create a linen spray and to freshen up a room with a unique scent. You can make one at home by mixing vodka with your preferred essential oil. You can also add mineral oil and water to create a room diffuser. Meanwhile, if you mix vodka to your regular wash, it will help to remove its mildew smell, which can be quite helpful if you are washing extremely musty kitchen towels. It can also be used to disinfect mattresses and deodorize other things like your shoes. Cider vinegar. Cider vinegar smells wonderful and offers several benefits just like white vinegar. Both share similar acidity levels and is a popular choice when it comes to the natural household cleaning solution. Cider vinegar can get rid of mineral deposits, dirt, and bacteria in almost all types of surfaces. It also possesses mild acidic properties that allow it to kill bacteria at a cellular level, albeit not as effective as chlorine bleach. Since it contains acetic acid, it has to be diluted in water before it can be used to clean surfaces without the risk of etching or clouding. You can easily make an all-purpose kitchen cleaner by mixing equal parts water and vinegar. You can also use this natural solution to clean the bathroom, windows, and walls. When wet, cider vinegar smells strong, but it eventually becomes milder and sweeter as it dries. You may even add a cup of cider vinegar to your laundry to help give it and your washing machine a fresh smell. Castile soap. Although castile soaps were originally made to be used on the body to nourish the skin with their blend of oils, they also have other uses. Because of its basic ingredients, it can also be used to clean your sinks and floors. It can be used to wash the dishes and clean the windows, and even the toilet. It can also be used to rinse fruits and vegetables, and it has ingredients that can be used to create a solution that can get rid of bugs and ants on plants. Suds. Suds is a biodegradable household cleaner that works really well if used for cleaning and making surfaces sparkle. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.